Today, I'm talking about the ISYE effect. Don't know what that is? Well, you probably don't because I made it up. In video Kickstart number 5, I'm talking about the I see you everywhere effect using video. I'm Cheryl Tan with CherylTanMedia.com. People come to me when they're wanting some guidance on content strategy, video marketing, and help on creating consistency in making videos. You are watching my video Kickstart series, and this is video number 5. So if you're just watching this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the other video Kickstart videos where we talked about how you can get started using video right away. I want to start by talking about why I'm doing this series, and it's because I get a lot of questions. I get a lot of questions from people in my Facebook group, the Standout Facebook group, people asking how to get started, why start using video, and the best ways to create consistency in making these videos on a regular basis. So this video Kickstart is the basis of that. And that's where I came up with ISYE. I see you everywhere, because the students and the clients I work with who are most successful using video, they get that all the time. They hear that from their friends, from their family, from their clients and customers. And sometimes it's in a positive way, sometimes not so positive. But whatever it is, they hear this phrase, wow, what's happening? I see you everywhere. And likely it's because of video they're creating. And what that means is they are, number one, making an effort to create that video, whether it's for YouTube, maybe it's in Facebook Live, maybe it's on Instagram, maybe it's simply a video they send out to their clients or customers. No matter what it is, it's that effort in putting time, some money, some resources into creating this video and sending it out consistently. And their audience is responding. They're seeing it, maybe in their feed, maybe in their inbox. Maybe they're just noticing it more and they're responding to what that message is. If you're trying to create some awareness for your business, for your brand, if you have a message you're trying to share, if you're simply wanting to make more people aware of what it is you're doing, video is a great way to do it. But a lot of people think that one video is enough, that they create one video, that they get enough courage to create that one video, or they pay a videographer and they have one video created, that's enough. And unfortunately, it's not. We're busy these days. We have too many emails. We're on all of these social media channels. We are stretched too thin. And as a result, our attention is fragmented. And so you actually need to show up in so many more places. But it doesn't mean you have to create a video every day. It just means you have to create one video on a consistent basis. Maybe that's weekly, maybe that's monthly, maybe that's twice a month. Whatever you decide to do, you still need to create that video on a consistent basis and then figure out a way to share it on a consistent basis. So let's say you decide to create video for YouTube, like we're doing here with this video Kickstart series. You take that video and share that on all of the social media platforms that you already are on, and your people then will start to say, I see you everywhere. That's the goal. So what's the takeaway from this video? Well, it's first to make the decision and know that you want to be seen everywhere, because that's the only way you'll take some action and actually make that happen. So first things first, make that decision, take that action and say, all right, I want to create these videos. Because once you do that, everything else falls into line. When will you create those videos? How will you do that? What will you need in place? What kind of support will you need in place so that you make those videos happen and then carry out that plan? I hope this helps a little bit in showing you how I think about videos and how you can be seen everywhere with them. If you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comments below. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel, click the bell so you can be notified when new video Kickstart videos are released, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.